Hey everybody, this video we got the last of our animal padlocks, released last one for a while. We've got the camel and the whale padlock, and now we've got the WolfDog padlock. It's just a 40 millimeter, I think it's 40, well it says 40 millimeter on the box. It's a tiny padlock with, I guess that's a WolfDog according to the Chinese. It has tiny little keys here, and a tiny keyway. All right, well, so it is super tiny right-hand hook, and hopefully this will fit. Yeah, it's just a wiper insert here. This thing is like the size of like a luggage lock. Try this in here, bent like this, so I maybe get the pick in. I guess it's a 40 millimeter padlock, but the actual cylinder is about the size of a luggage lock. Anyway, can't really feel anything because the pins, I'm sure, are tiny, but anyway, that's the WolfDog padlock, single pin picked, and that'll do it for now, and probably for a while, so I'm out of locks again. So I'll talk to everybody, I guess, whenever.